Building a tiny house in 24 hours is an exciting construction challenge that requires planning, teamwork, and efficient building techniques. Tiny houses are becoming popular because they are affordable, simple, and quick to build. A well-organized construction plan makes it possible to complete a small house in a single day. The first step in the process is preparing the construction site. The ground must be level and free from obstacles. Builders clear the area of grass, rocks, and debris. Once the site is clean, the layout of the tiny house is marked on the ground. Measuring tools help ensure accurate dimensions. Wooden stakes and string lines define the outline of the house. Accurate layout ensures the walls will be straight and balanced. After marking the layout, the foundation work begins. Shallow trenches are dug along the outline of the house. The trenches will hold the foundation that supports the structure. Gravel or crushed stone may be added to improve drainage. Builders prepare the concrete mixture for the foundation. Concrete is made by mixing cement, sand, gravel, and water. The mixture is poured into the trenches. Tools are used to spread and level the concrete. A strong foundation is essential for any building. After the foundation is set, wall construction begins. Bricks or blocks are used to build the walls. Mortar is applied between each brick to hold them together. The first row of bricks is placed carefully on the foundation. Builders check the alignment using a level. Straight walls ensure structural stability. The second row of bricks is laid in a staggered pattern. This pattern increases the strength of the wall. Mortar is applied evenly between each brick layer. Builders remove excess mortar to keep the work clean. Bricklaying continues row by row. Wall height gradually increases. Window openings are left in the walls. These openings provide light and ventilation. A door opening is also included in the wall D.